Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In the last video, we learned about the interface of the SPSS software. On the other hand, at very first, we learned some overview, some history, definition, and etc. of the SPSS. So today, we'll learn how to import data into SPSS from different sources of files. Say, for example, Microsoft Excel, CSV, or TXT format, and you will find lots of other formats. And we will define the variable types. I mean the nominal, ordinal, and scale. And in last video, I mentioned what is nominal variable, what is ordinal variable, and what is the scale variable. And for your information, in this slide, I also incorporated the definition of nominal, ordinal, and scale. And finally, we will learn how to save and or opening the SPSS file, right? So let's start. Here, you will find the interface of SPSS. So if you go to the file and then open, so and then data. So we need to find where is my data. So I saved my data in desktop. So SPSS data. So here there is no SAV file. So if I click here, you will see the SPSS actually support lots of files or formats, right? So if I click here, I'm in the all file. So you will have two options or two files. One is CSV file, another is TXT file. So first, I am just importing the CSV file. So click this file and simply click open. So here you will find this file already imported in the SPSS. Okay, so here, does your text file match a predefined format? Just no is fine. Next, you need to fix these options. Are variable names included at the top of your file? So in the very top of the line, you will say the variable names is gender, blah, 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 right? So please click here, yes. Then the first line will take as a variable name. The next, here you will find how your file, I mean CSV file was delimited. So it was comma separated. So I deselect this option, just comma and next and finish. So you will see all the data is in here. So data has already imported with all variables names. So in this way, actually we can import the data. So next one, define the variable types. Here you will find automatically it has defined age is a scale and other variables are nominal. There is no ordinal variable are in here. Please see here, male, female, nominal. Then yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. This all are nominal, and the class positive and negative, it's also nominal data. There is no ordinal. What is ordinal data? Say for example, Likert scale, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 7, or you can say education, right? It's also a ordinal data. Rank, first, second, third, it's the ordinal data. So the third option, saving the data. So now just click here, file, save. So in the SPSS data, I can just say practice, right? So I need to save the file as .sav file. Just click here, save. Now you will see the practice file already saved in your designated folder. ওকে, আল্লাহ হাফেজ, বাই বাই।